Hi everyone, good day. This is Elaine, a guider of MMM Philippines from Nasipit, Agusan del Norte, or Butuan City. By the way, happy anniversary MMM Philippines. I'm here in Cagayan de Oro attending the MMM Philippines First Guiders Convention. Today, December 1, 2015, I received an assistance worth 111,700 pesos. Okay? On October 19, 2015, I provided help in the amount of 23,000 under Mavro 30%, and November 22, I provided help in the amount of 50,000 under Mavro Mining. And today, December 1, I requested for help and I received 111,700, including my referral bonuses. Thank you so much to my donors, Antonio, Alot, Manalo Ray, Jelly K, Billy Boy. Thank you so much, MMM. God bless everyone.